So out of these three trees here, which tree is struggling? Of course, it's likely a silly question to ask, and it's obvious that this one is struggling. And what you're looking at are three different types of ash trees. And then what you're looking at for this one is a tree that's shutting down. And what I mean by shutting down is if you look at the tips of the branches, they are dying back very quickly. And so, for example, let's see here, if I see a little bit of green sprouts right here along this branch, well, I know still there's no vitality left in that branch. Next year, that'll be completely dead. The tree has interior sprouts along the structure of the tree. Structure meaning you could say trunk wood or leaders. Sometimes I'll get a request or a request via email or whatever, and they'll say, my tree has a few dead branches in it. At a certain point, we got to say there's no longer just a few dead branches. A tree is terminal. In this case, this tree is terminal. About 50% of this tree is dead or in decline. And that means the vitality you see now is just temporal. Next year, likely completely 100% dead. These trees we are pruning, and we are doing high pressure trunk injections on them, and we're targeting 3 insects, and that is emerald ash borer, lilac ash borer, and twig girdler. If anyone knows something, red-headed ash borer comes in later to start to chew on decomposing wood, so I'm not targeting red-headed ash borer when we do our injections on these trees. I do also want to say that if I were to look inside of the interior, this one has a lot of dead wood we're pruning out. We've already chipped up a lot of it. But I'm going to pick up a branch and show you something I see very frequently. So you see that those horizontal lines, they're horizontal, or right here, right there. That's called twig girdler. And there's twig girdler damage. So what does it do? It girdles, chews completely around a branch, a stem, whatever you want to say, and then it'll cut off the vascular flow. So right by my thumb, that's twig girdler damage, okay? And some people, I'm getting feedback from people saying, well, we don't have any emerald ash borer in the tree because so-and-so said there wasn't any emerald ash borer. Well, this is likely, these exit holes above my thumb, they're about the right size for emerald ash borer, or you can say, because if I rotate the branch, it is from twig girdler. So, nonetheless, there are actually 3 insects attacking our local ash trees, and they ought not to be overlooked. And, well, that's kind of that. I'm just rambling now.